Hello my friends, and welcome again to my kitchen in Sweden. We are going to do some coloring of paper today. I have got a new refrigerator. It broke and we have gotten rid of it today. And as I was carrying it out, not me but you know what I mean, I realized it has these security glass, these shelves in it. It was some metal pieces on the edge, but I have taken those away. And I realized this is perfect for craft when it's security glass, and you can use it to print on, like a jelly plate. So then when I took my papers, they actually fit perfectly on this glass mat. So these are cheap watercolor paper. I think I bought them on Amazon. And they are nice and thick, but when you fold them, like for journal pages, they want to break a little bit, so I'm not going to take any chance on that. So instead I'm going to color them, and we will cut them up and make tags and pockets from them instead. So that way we can use this thick and nice paper, but not put them as pages and risk that they will break in the spine. So let's put the color on the table and start playing. So the material I'm using is both Neocolor 2. I'm using a Stabilo Woody, and I'm going to use watercolor, and that's fluid watercolor, and I'm going to use some acrylic ink, some alcohol ink, some water, and some diluted coffee. And I'm just playing, so I'm blending the colors high and low, and mostly using white acrylic paint as a base, and then blending colors that I like to have. And I'm not cleaning my glass plate between. I'm just going on with some more colors. When I'm using more colors later on, some red and blue and some greenish, I clean it once, but then I'm just painting on top of it. This is just background papers that I'm going to use and cut up, so the pattern isn't important. I just want some colors to have as a base layer when I decorate my smaller pieces later on. So acrylic paint there as a base, and some acrylic ink, and some water. And here I'm going for kind of a rose pattern, but I realized I should have smeared out the colors a little bit more. So learning by doing, you can see the white lines isn't so fun, but we are going to cut it up, so it doesn't matter this time. But for the next time, I have learned that I need to dilute the acrylic paint a little bit more. So I'm going to leave you to look at this, and hopefully get some inspiration to just go and play and have fun. And if you have any questions, you can just put them in the description box or send me an email. You will have the email in the description box and in the end of the recording. So just a big mess of colors all over, and this is so fun. Using my brayer to press it down a little bit. And same again, you can see that the white color needs to be blended like this with a brush or something to smear out a little bit more. So here I'm going in and give it some more water. So learning by doing. So I will be back and talk to you a little bit more later in the recording, but for now you can just enjoy my mess of colors and get inspired to do something similar. So on this one you can see I'm doing a reprinting just to get some more patterns and colors. And I really like the texture, so to put several layers on the same paper is really nice. Almost like when you jelly plate playing. You can do different patterns and different colors and make it look really nice. Then when you're using it later on, you can do even more layers or go in with pens or something like that, so you can decorate it even more. But no problem to reprint or double print if you feel that you need more color or more pattern on your papers. I let them dry a few minutes and then I reuse them again. So this is the papers drying. So the first layer is done, and the bird is Nico's toy, so I have not killed any bird. Sorry, I didn't see it. So this will be nice backgrounds for some tags and pockets, I think. With some more color and decorations, this will be perfect. Thank you so much, and if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I would really appreciate that. So thank you for tonight, and see you soon again. Bye bye from Sweden.